How to fix Viber login blocked by server. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can fix if your Viber login is blocked by server. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. To fix a Viber login blocked by server error, first of all, we are going to check our internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem. You can also try the switching the connection types as I mentioned. Now restart the Viber app. If the Viber app is open in the background, close it completely and then just relaunch it again. So now try to relaunch it and try to relog in to see if that helps you. Double check if the phone number that you enter is actually correct. If it's still not working, do not try from the same page again and again. After you close the Viber app, long press on the Viber app icon, especially if you're using an Android phone. Then from here, you can tap on this I button that will take you to the app information page. From the app info page, you can simply go to the option called storage usage and clear the cache files and clear its data. Then go to your Play Store or your App Store and search for the Viber application and check if the Viber app has an update. If it does have an update, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve your problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.